Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you about creating a Linux server on Azure. Generally creating a server is a big tough job which involves huge memory, hardware resources, power, manpower, etc. But in Azure you can create a Linux server within minutes.
Okay, let's start. We can create an Ubuntu server now. So for that, click on New and go to Compute and select Ubuntu server. So here the available server is Ubuntu server 14.04 LTS. So click on it. So select the deployment model. I want to create a separate storage for my server. So I'll select classic one. Click on create. So now provide your host name. We'll name it as Ubuntu. Yes, it's available. Provide your username for it. Okay, there are two types of authentication, that is using your password and using your SSH public key. So I'm going to opt for password. Okay, this is a tire you're going to select. So I'm going to go for basic one. 1.75 GB of 1 core. There are plenty of stands available, that is using 14 GB, 7 GB, 3.5 and 28 GB with 8 cores. So I'll go for the least one, that is the first one, 1 core, 3.5 GB. Select and then click on create. So initializing deployment. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to create your Ubuntu server on the cloud. So let the process finishes. To connect to your Ubuntu server, we use a small open source software called Putty. Putty is a terminal software for Windows and Unix platforms. It is used to remotely connect to the computers over the internet. So let's download it. Putty. Yes, download Putty. Okay, click on download. Putty.exe, or else you can go for the Windows installer. Download it and install. Finish. Open Putty now. Okay. So now the server has been created Ubuntu server 14.04 LTS. So click on your server. Now go to settings, then properties or IP address. So for getting your IP address, click on settings and go to properties. Now here is your virtual IP address, or else you can even copy your SSH. I'll go with SSH process. Click on copy, then paste it here and select SSH, then open. So it's asked for your ID, so provide your ID here, the username. Okay. Then now it asks for your password. Provide your password here. So this is your Linux server terminal. so simple for you to connect to your Linux server. Thank you.